Yeah.
These are our new neighbors blowing off
I
fireworks.
know one of them do.
Mike, that's crazy, man. Right on.
Woo!
Whoa. 4th of July.
Gone! Get those symbols gone! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
You got the wrong holiday.
Tree on fire.
Roof on fire. Bam!
Yeah, these are killer right here.
Come over here.
Wow. You guys spent some cash, man.
Rita.
Woohoo! They're quality fireworks, man. It's coming right from our neighbor's house, right over there.
Yeah, I like those.
Nice.
Woo!
There you go.
Shit.
Woohoo! Happy New Year! Woo!
That was
That's
a
a
great show.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, freaking great seats for that.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I think some are going across there's some across the canal. We're out here by the canal. Some are going on over there too, behind the tree.
I think so.
Oh, you can't see them over there, I don't think. It's very dark here in Gibraltar. There's stars up there. Oh, I can see them way from this corner, kind of. Oh, there's some way over there, too. Oh, the ducks are all flying around, squawking. Kill myself on these steps. Alright. Happy New Year, everybody! I wish everybody the best in the new year. I have a good feeling about it. I'm going for it, and I can't wait to share everything with my family and friends. And I have a good feeling about this year. I don't know why. So have a great new year, everybody. Love ya.